Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an ultimate clean with me, and we'll be also taking some Christmas decor down and just getting everything back in order. We have toys everywhere, and so I'm going to be working to get all that put up today too. I thought I'd go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Jackie. This is our family's channel. My husband's name is Colby, and we have a 6-year-old daughter whose name is Esme, a 3-year-old daughter whose name is Farah, and our newest addition is Easton, and he is 4 months old. So as you can see, I am taking some of this Christmas decor down around our fireplace, and then we will get on into the cleaning. This is what we call Esme Town. Every year my daughter loves to make this little town out of the cotton for snow, and my husband puts lights underneath it, and then we just have this little village that we kind of add to every year. So this is her little project that she does every year for Christmas. Okay, so now I'm going to get started getting this room picked up. This is our family room, and just kind of the place that we all gather. The girls play in here. We have their toys in here. Some toys are in their room too, but for the most part, most of the toys are downstairs. So here I was just switching out the pillowcases from the Christmas ones to the ones that we keep up year-round. And now I'm just going to give the couch a vacuum. The pillowcases had feathers all in them, and so that got everywhere. Plus we have crumbs because, again, we have a 3-year-old. I'm going to give this coffee table a wipe down. Here I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's in the lemon scent, and it is my favorite scent. I promise I craved the scent of this stuff whenever I was pregnant with my son. Here I'm just going to take down the garland that's in our entryway going into the family room. I got this garland at Walmart this year, and it was only $2.50, I think it was, for each piece. And so I got 4 of them and put them all together, and I thought it turned out pretty well. Now I'm just picking up the toys. I tried to get them all in one pile to make it easier, but I'm just putting them back in the little boxes, and we have a pretty good system going here. but a lot of the times they just all get mixed up. Now I'm cleaning off their little table. I got this table, I think it was last year at IKEA, and I love it, but someone had bought my 3-year-old a little craft that had a bunch of sand that you pour into a little jar, and yeah, it got everywhere. So I'm just getting that vacuumed up and this table wiped down. Luckily, the markers were washable. I'm going to start vacuuming now. It honestly takes me forever to get this whole den vacuumed up. It is so big, but there's nothing more satisfying to me than seeing the vacuum lines in the carpet, although they don't last that long. Here I am using the Mrs. Meyer's room freshener in the lemon scent again, and I love this stuff. It makes everything smell so good. Okay, we're moving into the kitchen now. I'm just unloading the dishwasher and then going to load it back up. And I didn't have much to do in this room, so it didn't take long. We're just scrubbing the sink out now. I normally like to do this at the end of the day, but since I was in there cleaning anyways, I thought I'd go ahead and scrub it out. Now I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray to wipe down the countertops and the stovetop. So we're just moving on to the dining room now. I'm just taking down some of the Christmas decor in here and getting the table wiped down. Okay, so we are in the last room that we will be cleaning today. Now I'm just going to make the bed. So here I am just refilling the diaper caddy and dusting off these side tables. And that's my little cleaning buddy there. He is along with me for the whole time I'm cleaning. He's always either attached to my hip or somewhere nearby laying down watching me. Now I'm just getting this end of the room cleaned up and doing some laundry just a little bit, and then I'm going to try to get that bookshelf straightened. Again, the 3-year-old got in here and just tore all of them down, and then I told her to put them back, so she just shoved them back up there. And speaking of the 3-year-old, there she is. Okay, you guys, that is all for today's video. If you have stuck around this far, thank you so much for watching this video. I would love if you would hit that subscribe button, and now would be the time to scroll down and hit the like button also. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.